morning class. Myself Pallavi Anand. Again I am standing in front of you with your science. Today I am going to discuss science for class 4. And our topic will be the plant's habitat. The second chapter of your science book. And the topic which we are going to discuss today is the plant habitats. Now, you have seen plants all over the world. Plants grow either on the land or on the mountain. You can also have seen the plants which grow under the water. They are known as aquatic plants. What are the important things we are going to discuss in this chapter? These are plants habitat, what is habitat, what are the adaptation, terrestrial or land plants, aquatic or water plants, and some special plants as well, which we will discuss today. So, the first which we are going to discuss is the plant habitat. What do you mean by habitat? The natural surroundings in which plants or animals live is called the habitats. The natural surroundings in which plants and animals live is known as habitat. Now, the plants and animals adapted to their habitat as they start living in their surroundings, they start managing with the things, they start adjusting. When the plants or animals start adjusting with their surrounding, thus they develop some special features. They develop some special features to adjust with, to cope with the surroundings, and that very features is termed as adaptation. That is known as adaptation. Adjustment with the surroundings. Adaptation can be termed as adjustment with the surroundings. Animals and plants start living in the surroundings, start their adjustment, how they adjust with the environment, how they cope up with the surroundings. That special feature is termed as adaptation. Now, habitat, the natural surrounding in which plants and animals live is called habitat, and the feature the plants and animals develop to cope with, to adjust with the environment can be termed as adaptation. These, according to their habitat, according to the plant's habitat is divided into categorized into the three portions. According to their living habitat, some of the plants live in a land, some of the plants grow on the mountain area, some of the plants grow on the heavy rainfall area, some of the plants grow on the hilly region, some of the plants grow on plain area, some of the plants you have seen growing only in the desert area, some of the plants which grow only under the water or floating on the water surface. On their living habitat, on their living style, all the plants are categorized into the three parts. They are terrestrial, aquatic, or some special plants. According to their living habits, according to their habitats, according to their adaptation, all the plants are being divided into three parts: terrestrial or land plant, aquatic or water habitat, or some special plants. Terrestrial or land plants, the plants which grow on land, on the terrestrial area, on the solid surface, that can be termed as terrestrial or land plants or terrestrial land habitat. The plants which grow on hilly area. You have seen some of the plants growing in a hilly area or mountain area. But terrestrial land is also categorized into the following respective parts. The terrestrial or land plants is also divided into their respective parts. Some in seen mountains, plants growing in a mountain, plants growing on the coastal area, plants growing on the plain region, plants growing on a desert part, plants growing on a marshy area, plants growing in a happy area, rainfall area. So, on their habitat on the terrestrial, they are categorized into the following parts. Let us discuss it one by one. The terrestrial or land plants may grow on a hilly region or a mountain region. The plant which grow on a mountainous area can be termed as plant of a hilly region. Second is a plant that grow in a plain area. The plant which grow in our surrounding can be termed as plants of plain region. Plants of coastal region. The plants which grow in a coastal area, sea coast area, coconuts, etc. are the plants that grow in a coastal region. Plants of desert. The plants which grow mostly in a desert part, mostly in a desert area can be termed as plants of desert. Plants of marshy land. The plants which grow in a marshy area can be termed as marshy plants. Plants of heavy rainfall. The plants which grow in an area where there is so much rainfall available. The rate of rainfall is very high and the plants grow in that area can be termed as plant of heavy rainfall. On the habitat, the plants divided into three: terrestrial, aquatic and some special plants. We already discussed the terrestrial plants. Next we will discuss the aquatic or water plants. The plants which grow in the aquatic region or in the region of water. On the basis of their aquatic and water habitat, the plants are categorized in three parts. They are floating plants, fixed plants or submerged plants. Plants which are floating on the surface of the water can be termed as floating plants. For example, you have seen lotus and some other plants which float on the surface area of the plants can be termed as floating plants. They float on the water surface and can be easily observed by us and easily can be seen by us, can be termed as plants, floating plants. Second is the fixed plants. Fixed plants are the plants which are fixed inside and can be seen by outside also. Submerged plant can be also known as underground plant. Submerged plants are a type of plants which are available under the water surface. They are available on the underwater surface. They are also known as underground plants, underwater plants or submerged plants. The third part is the special plants. According to their habitat, plants is also categorized in some special plants. They are non-green plants or insectivorous plants. Some plants which are non-green in color and they cannot derive their food from the process of chlorophyll. So they derive their food from the dead and decaying organic matter, and these are known as non-green plants. Some example of non-green plants are molds, fungus, mushrooms, etc. The second is the insectivorous plants. The plants which cannot plants which make their food by the process of photosynthesis, but they cannot get their nitrogenous compound. So insectivorous plants trap their food by nitrogenous compound by trapping the small insect through their pitchers, and these are known as insectivorous plants. Now we will categorize all these terrestrial, aquatic and some special plants one by one in our next video. Hope you have enjoyed today. Thank you so very much. Stay at home, stay safe.